The role of ICT in revolutionizing patients' care. Introduction. ICT has transformed healthcare, making patients' care faster, more efficient, and more accessible. Let's compare how it's changing the way we experience healthcare. 1. Accessibility. Before ICT, access to healthcare was limited, especially in remote areas. Now, with telemedicine and mobile health apps, patients can consult doctors remotely, reducing the needs for in-person visit. 2. Efficiency in diagnosis. Traditionally, diagnoses were slower. Today. AI and digital tools speed up diagnose helps doctors detect the condition earliest and more accurate, improving treatment outcomes. 3. Patients' records, paper-based records were prone to errors and loss. Now, electronic healthcare EHRS allows doctors to access and share patients' data quickly, improving care coordination. 4. Personalization of care treatment used to be one size fits all. Thanks to ICT, doctors can now tailor treatments based on the data like genetics and medical history. 5. Cost effectiveness. Before ICT, healthcare was costly due to inefficiencies. Telemedicine and automated administrative tasks have reduced costs, making healthcare more affordable. 6. Real-time monitoring. Preventative care has limited today. Wearable device and mobile apps track health in real time, allowing for early intervention. 7. Patients empowerment. Patients used to have a little control over their health data. Now, through apps and portal, patients can track health, schedule appointment, and communication directly with healthcare providers. Conclusion. ICT has revol- revol- revolutionizing healthcare by improving access, efficiently, personalization, and cost effectiveness, making patients' care more appropriate and integrated. So that's all. Thank you. So my name is Roberto Duterte Pan Bermudez from Vital and HE1B. Bye-bye.